I'm going to go ahead and start with the face. I'm going to go ahead and use this. It's the Age Rewind. I'm going to go ahead and use a couple of drops. And then I'm just going to mix it with my fingers. Good. I like keeping a dewy foundation. So I like anything that will add some dewiness to my skin and also hydrate it. So I'm just going to grab the rest with my sponge and I'm going to scrub it off. I'm going to go ahead and blend it. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab some concealer, whatever concealer you like. So now I'm just going to go ahead and dab that concealer around just to make sure that I'm hiding any dark spots. Perfect. So now on to powder. Just use this translucent powder that I have and for my eyes because I am going to be using colored shadow today. Kind of in the mood for a pink eye. Apply this to where I don't want the shadow to stick. My eye primer. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eye. Cool. So now that I have that done, I'm just going to go in with a shadow. So pretty much any brown that you have. And after you've added the white all over. Cool. So now I just have pretty much the shadow that I wanted on my eyes. Just grabbing that any pink color, this is an opportunity to use any pink shadows you might have. Go ahead and blend it out with the same brush that I had earlier. Use it to blend it. Okay. So now I'm going to grab a purple color, something closer to the pink in the pink family. So we're going to go in and add this color. A little bit. So now that we have this kind of elongated eye, I'm going to actually go in back with the pink with this brush. So go down with the pink and bring it up and in. And then this is where I'm actually going to grab a concealer brush and I'm going to actually kind of clean up right here. Look, I don't know if you've guys seen a video, or I don't know what it's called. And so basically it's like a cut crease, except you're going in kind of like a pyramid shape. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab that same brush that I had earlier, this brush, and I'm going to go ahead and blend inward. Blend inward towards the concealer. So now I'm actually going to add purple to the inner corner just to deepen it up as well. And I am going to be using the same brush. Like I said, I'm trying to save as much cleaning and mess as possible for one eye look. Right now I'm using a Kat Von D palette that I had for a couple of years now. It's maybe the Loca palette. So I'm actually using these three colors, the pink, the iridescent one in the center, and the purple to deepen. Another brush. I'm going to grab a bone color again, and I'm just going to go in and brighten up my brow area. That way it is all blending in, because once you add this color, it should blend most of it out seamlessly. And most looks I try to do without lashes. Reason is because I hate lashes. Not that I hate them, they look beautiful, but they're really uncomfortable. Go just digging in this liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and let's move my. So I'm just gonna create a really thin line. Okay, so that's my liner done. Very easy, very thin. Just a little tail to add shape to my lashes. Now I'm gonna go in with the bottom. I'm using a brown color or any kind of warm. I'm gonna go in and start blending. Okay, cool. And now using that same brush again, the pink and purples, I'm gonna go in with the pink and blend it all the way around my eye. So I'm gonna try to make that smoky, grungy eye on my lashes. So I'm just going to go in with mascara. Any black mascara that you have works. For bronzer, I'm going to first go in with the face brush, and I'm going to brush over my eye, my face. That way I can get any of the product from the shadows out of the way. And then I'm going to just go in with a bronzer. And I'm just going to contour and bronze at the same time. Okay. And then for blush, I'm going to go in with Blush Baby. And add brow gel to my brows. That way they have a little bit of texture, because I kind of drew them in a little bit darker than usual. So now that we have the brows done, I'm going to go ahead and use lips. What is this? Whirl. Velvet Teddy. I am definitely a lipstick person more than a liquid lipstick. And then we're going to go in and blend this a little bit. MAC Myth. Because I bought that color so I can start wearing nudes, but I always look so pale with nudes. But these are like the perfect friends. Looks good. I think I need more blush. So let's go in with blush. I do love blush. It adds color to the face. And that's the look, guys. As you can tell, I didn't add highlighter. I wanted to keep this a little bit toned down, but also I feel that if the less makeup you wear, the more wearable the look is, and you can wear your beautiful colors. You can wear all your colorful eyeshadows that you have. Also, I know that you can tell that I don't have lashes on, but the look still looks really good. So if you guys have smaller lashes than I do, I have normal lashes. They're not long, they're not short. But if you have smaller lashes than I do, go ahead and curl them, and then use a waterproof mascara to keep up the curl. If you use a regular mascara, they're going to go, so try something that will work for your lashes. I recommend waterproof. I know it sucks to take it off, but just get a makeup remover at night. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you subscribe. Bye.